Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion for December 5th, 2013. It's currently 7:47 a.m. And we have some very warm conditions throughout the Philadelphia and New York City metropolitan area as a warm front drives through the region. As a result, as warm air is moving into the region, we do have some low clouds and some locally dense fog below 2 miles, actually below a mile, along the New Jersey coast and over portions of New York City. Rather dangerous driving conditions out there, so use some caution in these low visibilities. Temperatures again already in the upper 40s to lower 50s along the coast. Over the interior, upper 30s to mid 40s, even a few upper 40s now pushing into northeastern Pennsylvania. It's going to be a very warm day today, the warmest day of the next 7, with temperatures pushing into the mid to upper 50s over the interior and upper 50s to lower 60s along the coast. Don't get used to it though, because these warm, cloudy, muggy conditions are coming to a rapid end by this time tomorrow morning. On the latest radar, you can see that warm air is invading. We have a few scattered showers here and there over the mid Atlantic. No major rainfall threats for today. However, tomorrow, as the Arctic cold front approaches the region, widespread rainfall can be expected. But for today, just look for overcast skies with isolated to widely scattered showers throughout the afternoon and evening hours. On the latest infrared satellite picture, you can see our Arctic cold front. Now, this right here is not cloud cover. This is the Arctic air mass. This is a representation of very cold air. Okay? That is how impressive this Arctic air mass is. It is so cold that the infrared satellite picture is picking it up as blue, which basically leads to temperatures around minus 20 degrees Celsius. Pretty impressive at the mid levels of the atmosphere. So we're dealing with some very chilly air throughout the United States as this Arctic cold front drives to the south and east. So today we have that warm front moving through with a few isolated showers. And then tomorrow, this Arctic cold front will slowly move through the region with periods of rain. That rain will gradually change over to snow by Saturday morning, producing some minor accumulations over eastern Pennsylvania and possibly a dusting to an inch along the coast. On the latest water vapor satellite picture, you can see what's happening here. Here's our strong storm over the Canadian Maritimes lifting up towards Greenland. We have our Arctic cold front here moving through. This disturbance in this low pressure system will create some problems, especially for the interior by Sunday night into Monday, with the potential for some significant ice accumulations over the region. And then this storm right here will lead to some, after an Arctic blast for the first part of next week, will moderate a little bit, and then we'll see exactly how this upper level low impacts the weather pattern moving forward for next week. It could have some major impacts as well. On the surface map here, I just want to show the strength of this Arctic air mass driving south through the northern plains, through the southern plains now, and heading to the east. We're going to warm up very nicely today, but then thereafter, the Arctic air is on the move. So let's take a look at the latest model guidance via the Penn State eWall. We're using the European model guidance today. Again, here's our Arctic cold front approaching today. Overcast, a widely scattered shower here or there. Tomorrow, that cold front will drive through the region with periods of rain. Now, for tomorrow night into Saturday morning, as the cold air bleeds into the region, we're going to have one little disturbance here that's going to ride right along the Arctic cold front, producing a period of light to moderate snow. The best potential for accumulating snowfall will be over eastern Pennsylvania, specifically northeastern Pennsylvania, where the cold air will build in the fastest and we'll get that influence from that disturbance pulsing through with a period of moderate snow before the precipitation rapidly comes to an end. Along the coast, though, because this cold air does not enter the region until early Saturday morning, pretty much we're looking at rain changing over and ending as some snow showers with some minor accumulations only. So basically what I'm expecting here is basically a trace to an inch of snow right along the coast. I mean, we're really not expecting anything significant in nature for the most part. We're dealing with dusting at most on some car tops and some grassy surfaces. Further northwest towards interior Connecticut, the Hudson River Valley, northwest of New Jersey and back towards Allentown, north and west of Philadelphia, you could see 1 to 2 inches, possibly as much as 3 inches on some cold surfaces, grassy areas, maybe a little bit on the roadways, but again, not a major deal whatsoever. And as you move further west towards Scranton and Wilkes-Barre, and then back towards Lancaster, York, most locations will see 2 to 3 inches. I have 5 inches here just in case we get that moderate burst kicking in, and you get a little bit more of an enhanced snowfall in these locations on early Saturday morning. But I think most locations here will be in the 2 to 3 inch range. Here, 1 to 2 inch range, and along the coast, a trace to possibly half an inch, maybe an inch at most. Then it gets very interesting because now that Arctic air is in the region, so by Saturday afternoon we're clearing out, our temperatures are falling through the 40s into the 30s, and then on Sunday, on Sunday morning, we'll have temperatures in the upper teens to mid 20s for lows. This Arctic high pressure system builds down the coast, locks in the cold air, and then we have this strong low pressure system, or developing strong low pressure system with a strong warm front driving northward from the Gulf of Mexico, plenty of moisture coming right from the Gulf of Mexico, running right into this cold Arctic air. And that, of course, means the potential for snow changing over to sleet and freezing rain and finally rain. I'm very concerned about the interior here because I don't think this cold air is going to give very easily, especially if we see low dew points on Sunday morning. So this could be a major threat here for the entire region. The closer you are to the coast, the more this is a light snow to rain event. Not a big deal for the Monday rush hour except for some slick roadways. But as you move north and west of the cities, this could be a significant problem for the region. So here's what I'm looking at right now on the basic threat analysis. Along the coast, again in green, snow to rain, minor snow accumulations possible, but not really a big deal. By the time you wake up Monday morning, most of that will be washed away in a driving rain. However, just north and west of the cities, just north and west of Philadelphia, for example, and New York City, look for snow changing over to sleet and freezing rain Sunday night into early Monday morning. Changing to rain by Monday morning, the question is when. And I'm looking for light to moderate ice accumulations here with some slick roadways for the Monday morning rush hour and some light snow accumulations as well. Further north and west over portions of central Connecticut, like around Hartford, back towards northwestern New Jersey and Sussex County, Allentown, Reading, Lebanon, all over much of northeastern Pennsylvania. We're looking at snow changing over to sleet and freezing rain. The changeover to rain will happen late on Monday morning. Again, the question is when. Looking for moderate snowfall threats and a moderate to significant ice accumulation threat. This could be getting very, very ugly here. Then it gets even worse as you head towards Scranton and Wilkes-Barre, where there's a potential you stay all snow, sleet, and freezing rain, changing over to just freezing rain, and by the time temperatures rise above freezing, most of the precipitation will be over. There's a potential for significant ice accumulations up here. And in these areas, in the red and the purple areas, there's going to be a potential for power outages, dangerous road conditions on Monday morning. It is not going to be pretty. So that storm's going to drive through the region Sunday night into Monday morning. By Monday evening, the cold front is moving through the region. Look for some scattered showers. Monday afternoon, temperatures will rise into the mid to upper 40s. Then on Tuesday and Wednesday, Arctic high pressure will be in control with scattered cloud cover and temperatures struggling in the lower to mid 30s. Low temperatures in the upper teens to mid 20s. It's going to get chilly out there, that is for sure. Well, that is your forecast discussion for today. Of course, I'm your meteorologist, Stephen DiMartino. Follow the latest weather information at nynjpaweather.com and nynjpaweather on Twitter, Facebook, Google+, and LinkedIn. Have a wonderful day, and as always, stay safe out there.